What makes the ideal home? Its location, privacy, community, or the natural beauty that surrounds it? The answers and more are all yours at 4538 Landing Road at Crystal Point. Sitting directly on the Intracoastal Waterway, at the leading edge of a charming and intimate gated development, panoramic views can be seen from every room, as well as the ability to behold both sunrise and sunset. This immaculate 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath cottage features hardwood floors, granite counters, dual pantries, and huge bedrooms with oversized walk-in closets. A new HVAC system and remodeled master bath with luxurious tiled shower, a Carolina room, and state-of-the-art thermostat and alarm system, which can all be controlled right from your phone, help complement this amazing offering. As an added bonus, a 50-foot boat slip and 13,000-pound boat lift sit right at the water-facing side. In addition, the area's best restaurants, golf, fishing, entertainment, and shopping can all be found nearby. And the beach is just a few short miles away. It just doesn't get any better than this. 4538 Landing Road at Crystal Point in Little River.